Which is easier, roller skates or rollerblades? Rollerblading and roller skating are both fun activities that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. However, there are some differences between the two that might make one easier than the other for you. Rollerblading is generally considered easier than roller skating for beginners. This is because rollerblading requires less coordination with only one live stitch, and it is easier to fix mistakes when rollerblading. Additionally, rollerblading requires fewer basic materials to get started than roller skating, making it cheaper. However, both activities offer unique benefits depending on your skill level and desired outcome. If you're still unsure which activity to try, why not give both a go and see which one you prefer? Either way, have fun and stay safe while you're out there rolling around.